look at me, trying to get a hug out of sleeping in your t-shirt. He's not you, she's not me, and every time we see each other we wish we had said something first. I think we both should have said, hey, I know we had our ups and downs, smiles and frowns, but you're not all bad, and I don't think I'm...
Guys, welcome back. Like I said on the previous video of this install on part 3, I would show y'all the 3 steps that I forgot to show in the videos, which is how and where did I run the front airlines, where did I tap for the fuse ignition start, and where did I ran through the firewall the negative and positive cables to the battery. And I thought I forgot one more, but that was it. Only 3 of them. So I'm gonna start showing you. I had to air up the car, so I'm still gonna have to jack it up so y'all can see the lines where I ran them through. And I'm just gonna swap my aftermarket wheels and adjust the height so I can adjust my presets. So let's get that going. Okay, so that's line on the passenger side in the front. I ran it all the way, zip tied it up there, ran it all the way down, and I tightened it up here through the line. And for the passenger side, for the driver's side, I ran it through the middle beam. Can't really get a good angle. Let me get it on the other side. I don't know if you can guys see them, but wherever you see the zip ties, that's where I grabbed the airlines from, across all the way over there to the other side. I think you can see it. Now let's go, I'll show you the back. So I ran all the lines all the way up here. As you can see, I'm gonna have to hold them somewhere, probably up here. I'm gonna have to hold them from here up. I don't know if it's secure to be underneath the tank gallon. And then back here, they're up there, and all of them go up through that hole where the spare tire goes through. So you can see the rears. There's rear lines. Now I'm gonna show you where did I tap into the fuse section. So the trick with this is you want to tap into the one. For mine, I went with it's gonna be inside. I went with the one with with the washer, because at first I did it with the radio, but even though the ignition was not on, it was staying on, so I had to cut it, go test each one. So what you want to do is take one fuse out and put the ones that it's provided with, and when you put it on, if the compressors don't turn on, then you want to stay with that one. They have to turn on till the ignition turns on. But if they turn on without the ignition being on, then you don't want to tap into that, because they're going to stay on all night or all day, and it's going to kill your battery. So now these are going to be the wire, the black and red wire that goes to the battery. What I did was I drilled a hole on the firewall next to the hole, next to the wires that come already stocked with them, with the car. So I drilled the hole there, and I'll show you where it comes out through the front of the hood. So this is how the under the hood looks like. I'm gonna fix it, zip tie them, hide them. But after you drill the hole in the firewall, I don't know if you can maybe see it or not, but they're gonna come out back there behind the filter for the air, like way back there. And then I just ran them here and connect it positive with positive and the negative with negative. You can do it this way, or you can find a bolt and put it here, but then you have to, you know, shave the pin off. Now it's not gonna get good connection with the negative cables, so I just ran them through the negative battery terminal. I'm trying to get a good, not much slack back there. Let me give it a see. But it's back there. So now I must throw on my aftermarket wheels and adjust the heights and then adjust the presets. So let's get that started. Oh yeah, guys, I did find the third thing, and that was a USB cable to connect the control. So I ran all the way from the back and stuck it under here, underneath the seat rail. It doesn't sit flush on the ground, so there's space for you to stick it in there, under there. And it came out through here. Now what I'm gonna do is roll up the cable so it can look like this, and then buy like a magnet or something, so I can have my control either somewhere here, or somewhere you can keep an eye on the pressure. But yeah, now let's do the wheel.